Hello everyone, I'm Bhavya and welcome back to the Scientific Publishers YouTube channel. Today's video is especially important for students who are preparing for agriculture competitive exams like ICAR, ARS, ASRB, State Agriculture Services, JRF and NET. Because preparation is not about reading everything, it's about reading the right content in the right structure. In this video, I'm going to tell you about two highly exam-focused agronomy books published by Scientific Publishers. Both books focus on agronomy, but they serve slightly different preparation needs. One helps you build strong conceptual clarity across the entire syllabus. The other strengthens your exam orientation with structured revision and applied focus. Together, they form a complete preparation system. So let's begin with the first book. The first book we're discussing is All About Agronomy for Competitive Exams by P.L. Maliwal and S.L. Mundra. This is not just a question bank. It is a comprehensive agronomic framework designed for serious aspirants. This book covers the entire agronomic syllabus in a structured Q&A format, which makes it perfect for competitive preparation. Now let me walk you through why this book is very powerful. If you look at the contents page, the book systematically covers introduction, agrometeorology, soil management, tillage, crop management, nutrient management, organic management, water management, dry land agriculture, weed management, agroforestry, experimental statistics, revision questions, appendix with important agriculture data. This means the book does not skip any major core topic of agronomy. Let's talk about how this book builds concepts. For example, in the very first chapter, it defines agronomy clearly, not just as crop production, but as a science dealing with water, soil and crop management. And honestly, that clarity matters in exams. In agrometeorology, it explains difference between weather and climate, role of climate in agriculture, impact of temperature, humidity and wind. These are direct theory-based questions in many competitive exams. The soil management chapter defines soil, topsoil, subsoil and regolith in a very exam-friendly manner. Then comes tillage. Doesn't just define tillage, it explains objectives of tillage, tilth versus tillage, importance of seed bed preparation. This helps in both objective and descriptive exams. One of the strongest sections is nutrient management. The book lists essential nutrients clearly, macronutrients, micronutrients, their roles and deficiency importance. These are high frequency MCQ areas. Then organic management discusses IFOAM, organic principles and natural farming, which is extremely important for sustainable agriculture questions. Water management explains irrigation importance, physiological and ecological roles, efficient water use. Dry land agriculture defines dry farming, rain-fed farming, characteristics of dry region. These are common state agriculture exam topics. Weed management explains definition of weeds, weed characteristics and competitive definitions. Agroforestry discusses objectives, components and agro-silviculture. And then comes experimental statistics. This is very important for ARS and ASRB exams. It covers null hypothesis, type 1 and type 2 errors, factorial experiments and confounding. Many students struggle with statistics, but this book simplifies it. At the end, you'll find rapid revision questions, important agriculture facts, irrigation data, rainfall information, cropping intensity. This section is perfect for last-minute revision. This book is ideal for ASRB aspirants, ICAR, JRF candidates, agriculture, PSC students, MSc agriculture students, anyone building core agronomy foundation. If you want one structured book that covers everything in agronomy, this is it. Now let's move to the second book. While the first book builds your conceptual base, the second book strengthens your exam performance strategy. This book is Indra's Objective Ergonomy. MCQs for Agriculture Competitive Examinations. It's the third revised edition by R.L. Arya. This book is for those who already know the basics but want better recall, structured revisions and better exam handling. This book focuses on application-based learning, structured explanations, competitive alignment. Instead of long theory, it helps students think like examiners. This book connects theory with practical agriculture scenarios. For example, instead of just defining crop growth stages, it connects them to productivity implications. Instead of just listing irrigation methods, it emphasizes efficiency and sustainability. That analytical angle is important for higher level exams. The chapters are arranged logically, helping students move from basic understanding to advanced reasoning. It reinforces learning without overwhelming you. This book is helpful for students preparing for interviews, ARS mains, descriptive examinations, and agriculture advanced positions. It improves your expression and confidence. And here's how you should use them. This book helps you build complete syllabus coverage, and this book helps with strengthening exam applications and recall. Together they give concept clarity, structured revision, speed and accuracy. And that combination increases your success probability significantly. So today we explored two powerful agronomy books by scientific publishers. And if you're really serious about agriculture competitive exams, then do not rely on scattered notes. And for that, use structured resources. These books are comprehensive, exam-focused, conceptually strong, revision-friendly. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. You can either purchase these books on Amazon or on our website. And if you want to order directly, then contact us on WhatsApp 7733904904. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Bhavya and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.